This is the welding skid base model frame. Give you a good idea of what it looks like. So you got your forklift hose on the front. You don't have your lifting eyes because that comes with the deluxe package, but the base model don't have it. But you have everything else. It only comes with 2 stands. The deluxe will come with 4, like the welder behind it. It's a pretty simple frame. Like I said, I got it weighed out today. The base model was 180 pounds, give or take. And you know, once you put your equipment on there, you ain't looking at too much. Most welders are under 5, especially Bobcats or Lincolns. Most of them are under 500 pounds. So you know, you're looking at under 1,000 pounds pretty much in your bed. So that's not terrible at all. So you know, you should be able to handle that at no problem. But just wanted to give you an update so you can kind of see what it looks like before I get rid of this one, because I actually had to go up there and get it sized up for me so I can figure out this shipping cost. So I'm waiting on someone to call me back actually to figure out how much it's going to cost to ship it out. So that's what I'm doing today, man. Getting a couple things out around the house, and just wanted to give you a small update on the welding skids that I designed. And like I say, I'm trying to get it where we can start pushing these bad boys out more. I have been getting a lot of calls. People been interested in, and a lot of people that calls me are not in the Phoenix area. So I had a few of them I done sold here, but a lot of them been in Texas and Oklahoma. So it looks like that's where I need to make sure I get them at, because that's where people are hitting me up from, Texas and Oklahoma. So this is the Hog On Welding Skid base model. I appreciate y'all for checking in with me.